Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to turn XFCE into Windows 95 with a cool project named Chicago95, and we are going to do that both on Debian and on Void Linux. Also, there are timestamps in the description, so if you want to skip a section you can easily do that. Okay, we are at the Chicago95 GitHub page, and we are trying to install it on Void Linux. Now, I have already downloaded it because I don't want you to wait and I don't want to speed this video up so much. So yeah, I've already downloaded it, and as you can see in the manual installation page, for the automatic install we'll need to run the installer.py Python script. So I'm going to go to Chicago95 and python 3 installer.py, and wow, look at this style. This is amazing. Next, install everything and change the sh prompt, no problem. And it's installing. Nice. Let's see how much it takes until we see a change. Wait, it's laggy, and the toolbar, the title bars of every app and the color palette I think is installed. And it's installing the icons now. Nice. I'm going to speed this up. Okay, we are close to being done, and this is either sped up for you or the SpongeBob French narrator guy is saying later. Yeah, either of the two. Okay, we have a mousepad and installation complete. Nice. The toolbars are now the style that we want, and the icons are too, but we need to change some stuff. Not stop. And we're going to do these first. We're going to get the font set. Go to appearance, fonts, and default font size 8. Okay, select, and anti-aliasing, hinting full. Okay, that's it for this. We're not going to change the start button because we already have the icon, but we'll need to where's the panel 2? Hey, okay, here it is. We will need to delete this and drag this and drop it here. So we're going to run settings manager, go to panel, select panel 2 and just remove it. Okay, and yeah, lock panel, and I think just like this. Yup, and panel preferences, lock panel. Okay, and I will delete this. We don't need it anymore. And the other change we need to do is in the start button. We will need to make it say start instead of applications. What? Okay, start, close, and yeah, that's nice. And okay, we will do another thing. We will try to enable the splash screen now. As you can see, the Plymouth boot splash theme. Click here, and we're going to try to install the Windows 95 boot screen on this Void Linux installation. And Chicago95 installation actually on Void Linux. For Void Linux, we're going to follow the Arch instructions. So we're just going to copy this, paste it here, but no, not here. CD, okay, and then paste it here. Paste. Okay. What? Oh, we need to install Plymouth first. xbps-install Plymouth, and yes, 995 kilobytes. Nice. Okay, now we will need to do these commands again. Yes, it's done, and set the default theme to Chicago95. Okay, it's building, but we need to do another thing too. We will need to edit the grub options and add quiet and splash, I think, to the kernel parameters. So we will wait until this is done and then we will do that. If you don't do that, when you boot from grub, no splash is going to be shown. So it's going to be shown. Yes. So yeah, we are going to add those to the options. If this ends quickly, please. Okay, creating image file. I'm going to make this faster for you. Oh, it's done. No need. Okay, now we're going to go edit. I'm using Nano because Vim is not installed and I don't want to download another thing with this internet speed. I can use Vim. Yes. Slash Etsy slash grub slash default, I think. No, slash default slash grub. Yes. Default slash grub. Okay. And what? Okay. And here, grub cmd line Linux default. We're going to remove log level 4 because we don't want any logs, and put in here quiet and splash. Save and quit and sudo update dash grub. You're going to do this for Arch Linux 2 and other Arch based distros, and for Ubuntu and probably other Debian based distros, probably other Ubuntu based distros, because I don't think this is going to work on Debian too, but maybe it works. You're going to go with these instructions right here. Okay, sudo update grub, but know that if the splash is not working, it's probably because grub. And it should work now. Now we're going to restart and see if it works. Okay. Grub loaded with Linux. And yes, nice. This looks really cool to have the Windows 95 splash screen in GNU Linux. Okay. And nice. Everything is working. Even the icons right here are working. Very good. Close this Firefox. And the prompt change is working too. But I don't want this void logo here, so what we can do is go to why am I using sudo nano.bashrc, and here we're going to change neofetch to show the Windows logo. Yes, neofetch can be installed and can show the Windows logo too. If you didn't know, ASCII-distro, I think. Windows. I don't know if this is the right parameter, but let's see. No, it's not. So let me see what is the right parameter. Oh, okay. We need to put not a dash. We need to put this character. I wrote the ASCII-distro right, but we don't need to have a dash there. And I think it's gonna be working now. Yup. Tell me this doesn't look cool. How cool is this? Okay, and we're going to try another thing. They in the GitHub page said you can install any Windows 95 themes on Chicago 95, so we're going to see if that works or not. And this is the first time I'm trying to do this. So let's go Microsoft Windows Plus themes. I have some themes here that I've downloaded in the desktop, but I don't know if they're right or they're gonna work or not. Okay, Chicago Plus. We need to install these packages. I'm scared because we are running Void Linux and the package names maybe are different. Sudo xbps-install this and let's see if it works. Okay. I think we can install these with pip, right? Pip install font tools and svg right. What? Pip 3? Do we need to install pip? Are you serious? Sudo xbps-install python 3-pip, I think would be the package name, right? And it's downloading. Not found. What? Huh? Signature from that not found. Maybe we need to update xbps- sudo xbps-update. Does that do it? xbps-install-u, I think, is the right command. Oh, we are updated. So why doesn't it install pip? I am so confused. Can't find the signature from repo-default.voidlinux.org. I think the package, yeah, the package name is correct. Why isn't it installing? Do we have it already? I don't think so. Python 3-m pip. No, pip 3. No. Okay, so I'm going to stop the recording and come back and I'll tell you that if I could make it right and install pip or not. See ya. Okay, I finally got pip to work, but the way I did it isn't standard and isn't like really a good way to do it, but it gets the job done for now. The package manager version of pip in the repos of Void Linux is kind of broken right now and it doesn't install, so I installed it this way. First I wait a second, got this script from this link that pip's manual says this is one of the installation ways. But in many distros you see the new change that you can't install pip packages right now with pip because it says it's like managed by an outside environment, something like this, and you will need to pass the --break-system-packages argument to it. So this script didn't work and I needed to edit it a little bit, and with our good friend Nano I did this. Here in the determine pip-install-arguments, wait, what's happening? Okay, here I added --break-system-packages to the args that are going to be in the arguments of the install command of pip. So I added this to args and I ran the package, and the pip command is now installed, but this /home/nemo.local/bin isn't in the path and I don't want to add it in the path for now, so I'm going to just run it with python -m pip and it's going to work. Okay, as I said, this isn't a good way, but it does the job. Oh, yeah, I was reading some stuff. Okay, I was reading some stuff about the error, but I couldn't find anything. We will need to install these. SVG write and font tools. I hope they are here. Font tools and SVG write. What? Oh, pip install. Okay, install. And okay, we forgot dash break dash system dash packages. And okay, seems like it's there and it's installing. Nice. I'm going to again speed this up, and you're going to see these all installed probably in a few seconds. Okay, everything is installed. The things that we needed to install with pip are installed. Not everything. We will need to install Inkscape too. So we are just going to do sudo xbps dash install Inkscape. Did I write that correctly? Password. Yes, and it needs to get 54 megabytes. Okay, again, speed this up, editor, which is me. Okay, and again, what happened? What is this problem? Again, it happened. I'm going to try to find the source of the problem and come back. Just wait. Okay, I did some changes and it seems to be working now. What we needed to do that I found from Reddit is we needed to remove the everything in the var cache xbps folder that ends with .sig or .signature, and then update the repositories with xbps-install-suv. And now it seems to be working, and after all, I don't think we even needed to install pip that way, but finding this was a little hard. And we will wait until this gets installed and I'll come back. Okay, the download is complete and it's installing. Okay, and then what do we need to do? We need a play 2. Okay, do we have this? Okay, it's byte compiling Python code for module numpy. Good. It's installing modules. Okay, and nice. We will need to install a package called aplay2. Okay, not found. Okay, we will go without it and see if it works or not. We're going to run .+GUI, but where is it? Is it in the Chicago95 folder? ls Chicago95 makefile. Okay, so yeah, cd Chicago95 plus. It should be here. ls, yes. Python 3 plus GUI dot py. Okay, and nice. I wasn't expecting it to work and it didn't. What is the problem? Oh wow. This is not going to do anything, but I'm going to try it. Yup. Okay, this doesn't work. Okay. I think we're going to try to do this on Debian. Let's go and see probably after I install Debian XFCE.
3 days later.
Okay, welcome back. It's been 3 days and I have installed Debian and Chicago95 on it. And I've also did some more customizations that I'm not going to show in this video because it's going to take a little longer, and I don't want the video to be so much longer than this. The video is already long. And yeah, I've did some changes, and if you want to see it, you can comment down below that you want to see what customizations I did and how I did it. Okay, the theme converter app doesn't completely work. The GUI doesn't work at all. It gives an error. Let me open it. Let me close this and open terminal here. Okay, here I'm going to run plus GUI. This doesn't work at all. It runs, but when I select the theme, wait, inside your computer, okay, it gives this error and I couldn't fix it. I tried so long and I couldn't fix it. So yeah, the GUI part doesn't work at all, and the CLI app ChicagoPlus.py works, but doesn't work for most themes. It just works for some themes. And why? There's a bug in it, and it can't communicate with the newest version of Inkscape, I guess, and they haven't fixed it yet. And this guy says you can download the app image and put it in your path and stuff, but I've tried it and it didn't work. So yeah, for most themes it doesn't work, but for one theme it works, and that is inside your computer, that I like. Wait, let me find it. I've not tried all of the themes here in the MS Plus pack, but yeah, I've tried some of them and most of them didn't work. Where is inside your computer? Why can't I find it? Okay, I found it, but that took long and I do not know why the search didn't work, but yeah, we're here. Okay, I'm going to paste it here into quotations, and this is the only theme between the themes I tested that works. And you can see a demo of how Chicago Plus and the Plus GUI app is supposed to work, but it's not working with most of the themes. Okay, it boots up. Wait for it. We're going to wait a little bit. Okay, and the theme is updated, and as you can see, our GNU Linux distribution is now with the Chicago 95 installation, and with this tool Chicago Plus is now themed with the inside your computer theme, and this just looks awesome. I'm not going to change this. This looks amazing and I like it a lot. So that's it. Yeah, if you can fix this bug, be sure to check the bug page in the description. I would love to see this fixed, and I'm going to probably make an update video if this gets fixed. So you can check the description for the Chicago95 project link, for the bug page, and if there's any update videos or not. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.